Hello, good day. Welcome to today's lesson, and we are still looking at configuration, Windows configuration. Windows configuration, we'll be looking at backup. Backup is very essential and very important. If you want to keep a backup state of your system so that it can help you to back up your entire system, what you need to do actually, you need to have an external disk that you want to use to do that. That external disk can be permanently connected to your system that in case anything happen will just be there that will be able to update your system. If you should be there so that it will be backing it up every time that you want. So if you want to really just do that, what you need to do is you go to setting. So if I click on this search on this area, I could have put setting here, but I have it here already here. So if you just click on the word setting, and we are going to go to updates and security. Go down there, this is update and security, and we'll click on it. When we click on update and security, then we are going to use the backup. Look at it here, backup file backup. Click on it, and once e opens it for you, then what do? Connect your backup disk that you want to use. Connect your backup disk that you want to use. That's what you are going to do. You can see at this point now, it said automatically back up my file. That is, you need to what? Put it on if you want to. But I'll click on more option here now. Let's click on more option and see what we have here. Click on more option, just wait a little bit. You can see it's coming up with backup option, backup option, backup option, backup option, and you can see that I had a disk here that is here that I can use for my backup that is there. So you can see by default here now we have every hour to backup. That is if the backup is on, that's where we do that. Then also keep my file backup. The default is forever. You might decide to say you want to keep your file backup for 2 years, 1 year, 9 months, 6 months, 3 months, 1 month, depending on how the case will be your choice. But by default, it say forever. It should continue to keep it for you. And every 1 hour, I will be doing the backup. So it depends on how critical your data is. You can say it should be doing your backup every 10 minutes, or you can say you should be doing your backup daily. So it will turn that every day that way, or every 12 hours, every 6 hours, as depends on what you just want to be. So if I go back here, back to this point now instead, I'll just click on, let's say, put the backup on. Once I put it on, then that's just it. So we'll be backing up. I have my disk there, external disk that is there. If you don't have a disk or you have not choose the disk before, what you will do now, when you just click on, it will tell you to choose your disk. So you choose the disk that you want to use for backup, and you continue. So you can see when I go to more option now, you can see I have something there that I'm working with. So that's it. Clicking on more option again. So let's go back there again, and you see what's there. You can see that we can back up forever. We can back up for 2 years. We can back up for 1 year, 6 months, 3 months, as the case may be. And I can decide to also just back up now because I have something I'm doing now. Maybe I want to just back up everything now at this moment. Then before this one will be taking me for every hour, and it's going to keep it forever. Then if I want to back up these folder, back up this folder, I can also select. If I click on this add folder, I click on this to add more folder, I can come to this place and start picking the part that I want to back up, all the things I want to back up. Once I picked it, and I'll just go on with it and go. So if I have to pick this, you can see that I have this thing, I choose this folder and so on. I can put it to it, but I'm going to do that. All my folder, everything is here if I want to do that state, and that's it. The exclude this folder, you can also do like you want to exclude some part of it that you don't want him to back up to you too. Now, if you have finished backing up, maybe for example, now you want to do something like restore, something happened or you formatted your system since it's taking state of all your information, the disk one, the disk that did backup is there. Once it's there, you just still come back to this point again using this same method, but this time you come below this point here and you are going to use the restore file from current backup. So once you clicked it, it's going to restore your file and position everything where they originally are. Be the system administrator and you are the one doing that, and there are other many users using the system that you did this backup for. So you don't need to start, they will start looking at their file. Oh, I drop your file here, I drop your file there. No, everybody will just see their file where they placed it before, the way it is. You don't need to know the position where they play, but the backup will just take it back to this, to the original position. So that's how you use this part to back up, to restore your file. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to follow us on our YouTube channel, and you can see more of this video. Thank you very much.